Hello everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve this new exercise 11.3. Okay, starting from the very first question. See, the very first question is asking you to find the circumference of the circle with following radius and take the value of pi as 22/7. So we know, students, that for finding out the circumference of circle we are having the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, r is given, pi is given, just we have to put it in the formula and do the calculation. We will get the circumference of the circle. Okay, now what is happening if you are not understanding what is circle, what is circumference, what is radius, and some more parameters about circles, then you may prefer to watch the introduction video. Okay, now here starting with the very first solution A. Okay, here radius is given how much, students? So 14 centimeters. So here we will write the given data radius r is given as 14 centimeter. Okay, and pi is equal to 22/7. Okay, now from here we will write by formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now here 2 is constant, pi value we have been given 22/7 and r is given as 14. So I put here r is equal to 14, pi is equal to 22/7, 2 as it is. Okay, now in between these all three multiplication sign is there, so I put multiplication sign. Now I have to simplify this one, then you will get the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle means only the outer boundary, or you can say in other word, when we were having the polygons, then we were finding out the perimeter, and here in case of circle, here we are finding out the circumference. So here 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 42. Now if you will multiply 22 2 is 44 and 44 2 is 88. Now coming to the unit, as I told you, we are getting only the outer boundary or perimeter, and perimeter is always in the same unit as radius or length or breadth, whatever parameter is involved are there. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे इसका जो यूनिट होगा वो भी क्या होगा, सेंटीमीटर होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि रेडियस हमारा सेंटीमीटर में दिया हुआ है. सो दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल गिवन. Okay, now moving to next segment, students. Now I will solve segment number B. Again here we will write given data. Here given data. Okay, radius given how much, students? Radius r is equal to, pi value is given 22/7. Radius is given how much? Just let me see. Radius is given 28 millimeter. Okay, radius is given 28 millimeter. Now by formula circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. Now put here the value, how much? 2 into 22/7 into how much is radius this time? 28. Now you can simplify it to the simplest form, you will get the answer, that is circumference. So 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28. Now 22 2 is 44 and 44 4 is, we will see here, 44 4 is 4 4 is 16 and 4 4 is 16 plus 1 17. So here basically we will get 176 and its unit will be millimeter. Why millimeter? Because here radius is given in millimeter. Okay, so like this, by doing simple calculations we are finding out the circumference, students. Okay, now moving to next segment number C. I hope you will write the given data and pi value. I am going to put directly, calculate here directly the circumference. Okay, so circumference is equal to 2 pi r. How much is r given here, students? In third case, r is given as 21 centimeter. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 centimeter, or centimeter you can avoid. Now again you have to do the calculation, simplification, and you will get the circumference. So here 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. Okay, now 22 2 is 44, and 44 3 is we will see here 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13, means you will get 132. And what will be its unit? Since radius is given in centimeter, so its unit will be also centimeter. Okay, so like this, by simply putting the given value, that is the radius and pi value, we are calculating the circumference of any circle. Okay, so this was your question number 1. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.